first rules of Honda karting. Right then, engine notes rise, its eyes on the lights, and it's away. Ryutaro Sakai leads them away, and it's a good start though from Alfie Thompson. He immediately gets past the pole sitter, so Alfie Thompson is up into the lead of this one. Great start from the 71 there to get up in to the front, and actually Sakai is down to 4th because Rhys Lomax has had a brilliant start there in the 24, as has Reg HEYWOOD, and then the 23 of Ethian Symonds was challenging Sakai, but Sakai, I seem to recall out last time, had a really good showing, so I haven't spoken much about Sakai so far today, but hopefully this sharp end of the grid start means that he's going to feature prominently. Interesting though, of course, in these slightly changeable conditions, how experienced he may be in that, in fact, how experienced any of these drivers may be, given their relative inexperience, at least compared to the other two classes that have had to deal with the heavier rain today. Sakai goes down another spot there. Let's call them as they come across the line. And Alfie Thompson off the back of that really good start in first. Rhys Lomax in second, Reg HEYWOOD in third. Then it's Ethian Symonds and it's Oscar TEUTEN in fifth. Ahead of Ryutaro Sakai. Devon Nolan in seventh. Then it's Ralph Youngling, Joe Cheek and James Bell to round out the top 10. And that's Oscar TEUTEN, I think, getting past Ethian Symonds there for 4th place. We just saw through Christmas corner. This is Rhys Lomax defending it against Reg HEYWOOD, 24 versus the 64. Just a little bit of breathing space that Alfie Thompson has already at the front there. You can see it. He just went out the right hand side of the shot. And then this battle for second, Lomax and HEYWOOD. Then it's TEUTEN, Symonds, and then Joe Cheek has just got up to 6th place. Yes, indeed it is. Joe Cheek up to 6th place. James Bell up to 7th. Ryutaro Sakai in 8th now. Devon Nolan down to 9th. And Ralph Youngling rounding out your top 10. Fantastic battle throughout this top 10. Behind we get Ralph Youngling having to defend slightly there from Jack Stewart in the 57, trying to make hay. Oh, and side by side through Christmas as well. That looked like two of our front runners. I wonder if that was Lomax and HEYWOOD. Didn't quite catch it as it flashed through shot. Ryutaro Sakai now defending against Devon Nolan, one in his distinctive green helmet and race suit there. This is over 8th place, and Nolan has a run on Sakai there into the boot. And he's surely going to hold on to that one. Sakai will get the cut back out of the second part, but I don't think he's going to get enough of his cart alongside. Meanwhile, Lewis ISLIN is on the move there and has just got past Ralph Youngling, I think, which means he's moved up quite a bit. Yes, he has. 3 places, up to 10th place. Good luck, Lewis ISLIN, and now he's challenging Ryutaro Sakai. Meanwhile, further up the field, that looked like Joe Cheek and James Bell battle up towards Christmas corner. This is Oscar TEUTEN now ahead of Reg HEYWOOD, so that's a change for 3rd place. TEUTEN in the 77 there, up to 3rd place. Made the move, it looked to me like it was through Christmas corner. So it's Alfie Thompson, Rhys Lomax and Oscar TEUTEN now your top 3, as will be reflected on time the next time they come around. Reg HEYWOOD in 4th. Ethian Symonds, I think, is still in 5th ahead of Joe Cheek and Bell. It's plenty of good battles going on in the first top 10. Perfectly honest with you. James Bell gets past Ethian Symonds and Joe Cheek. Lewis ISLIN and Jack Stewart have got past Devon Nolan. And Ryutaro Sakai dropped down to 12th place on that lap. So it's down Thompson, Lomax, TEUTEN, HEYWOOD, Bell, Symonds, Cheek, ISLIN, Stewart and Nolan will top 10. There's the 72 of Joe Cheek looking for a move there on the 23 of Ethian Symonds. That's over 6th place. Back straight comes the battle over 4th place, and there is HEYWOOD and Bell. James Bell putting a very honest attempt there on getting 4th place off of Reg HEYWOOD. Alfie Thompson then leads by 1.3 seconds at the front from Rhys Lomax. Oscar Tuton trying to get onto terms with Lomax, so look out for that one. Reg Heywood in the 77 defending against the 64. Reg Heywood in the 64 defending against the 21 of James Bell and Ethan Simmons and Joe Cheek back with 23 and 72. As well. And James Bell has got past Reg Heywood. Yes, there he is. So James Bell has passed Reg Heywood for 4th place. He's actually got quite a gap as well. So whatever he did it in such a mistake. So it's definitely James Bell who got into 4th place. Reg Heywood in 5th, Ethan Simmons 6th, Joe Cheek in 7th. And there is the battle between Joe Cheek and Joe Cheek passed Ethan Simmons, the 72 past the 23, but Simmons is going to try and get right back with him through Christmas Corner, and he does. Brilliant stuff there by Ethan Simmons to get back past Joe Cheek. Didn't panic on losing the position, just thought, okay, I'll have a counter-attack here into Christmas Corner. Nicely judged by Ethan Simmons. And again, Joe Cheek is going to attempt. Nice move from Joe Cheek. Good racing between both of these drivers, and Joe Cheek gets back through at Wilkins to get past Ethan Simmons. Alfie Thompson leads. Reese Lomax in 2nd, Oscar Tuton in 3rd. James Bell ahead of Reg Heywood. This fantastic battle, which is seeing Joe Cheek get past Ethan Simmons on this lap. Good racing between those two. Morgan Hill still running in 9th in 22, 57 Jack Stewart in 10th. Aston McAndrew-UREN in 11th, Devon Nolan in 12th, which is 13th. Zain KHAN, who just got up to 14th ahead of Josh AGAMBAR. Ryutaro SAKAI down to 16th, not having his best race. Hayden CLARK in 17th, 18th. Rounds out your top 20 at the moment. Here is a battle. That's Tuton getting past Lomax. That's a change for 2nd place, and Oscar Tuton has got past Reese Lomax. And James Bell has caught right up into the back as well, and James Bell is going to challenge Reese Lomax over 3rd place. He's going to have the switch back out of the 2nd part of the boot. They're going to be side by side, heading towards paddock corner. You've got to be careful doing what Reese Lomax was doing there, trying to come across and squeeze your opponent against the inside there into the final corner. It's something you've got to do with caution. Make sure you give racing room. You do not want to squeeze them onto the now reprofiled final corner apex there. Something's gone wrong there for Harrison Morgan. I'm not sure what that was. He's going to pull off to driver's left. Oh, there's contact there between the 64 and the 12. So this is Reg Heywood and Lewis ISLIN getting involved, and that's allowed Ethan Simmons to get past Reg Heywood now. So change there again. So it's going to be Alfie Thompson, Oscar Tuton, Reese Lomax if he's been able to hold off James Bell this lap, because yellow's out for the card of Harrison Moran. And look at this, Ethan Simmons and Reg Heywood battling away as we go on to the last lap. Alfie Thompson then has 1.5 seconds for the good. Oscar Tuton is comfortably in 2nd as well. James Bell has got past Reese Lomax over 3rd place, but we're looking at the battle here from 5th downwards. This is the 12 of Lewis ISLIN hounding Reg Heywood over 7th place. The 23 of Ethan Simmons is just ahead of them. The 22 there is Morgan Hill, who's getting involved at the end of this race. So Ethan Simmons is in 6th, Reg Heywood in 7th, Lewis ISLIN in 8th, and 9th for Morgan Hill. But they really don't look like they're going to finish in that order, because there's so much action. They've just spread out a little bit though. Maybe that'll give them a chance. We do need to keep an eye on the start-finish straight though, because Alfie Thompson is going to be coming around. Here he is, the number 71. Brilliantly driven race by Alfie Thompson. He's going to take the win in heat number 3 of the Honda Cadets for round 5, excuse me, of the WMKC for 2019. Oscar Tuton comes home in 2nd. James Bell finishes 3rd. Good job from him working his way up through the top 10. Reese Lomax in 4th. Joe Cheek in 5th. Ethan Simmons holds on to 6th. 7th for Reg Heywood. Lewis ISLIN in 8th. 9th for Morgan Hill. 10th for Jack Stewart. 11th for Aston McAndrew-UREN. Alfie Richards in 12th. Zain KHAN in 13th. 14th for Devon NOLAN. 15th for Hayden CLARK. Josh AGAMBAR is in 16th. 17th in the end is Ryutaro SAKAI. Sonny Mortensen,